Today we're going to the Shenzhen Pet Expo. It's my second year going and Max's third or fourth. It's a pretty standard expo. All the companies set up their booths in a big room and the people go look at the stuff, get some free samples and maybe buy something. All right, here we are, pet convention time. The best part is probably that everybody brings their pets. So as you walk around looking for free samples, you get to pet everyone's dog. Win-win. Let's go get some free stuff. Dan's pretty excited. All right, let's go look at some dogs. Too lazy to have my own dog, so I gotta make do with everyone else's. We come every year because we have a cat, so we come to see what interesting things we can find for him.